All right. So this reading is for the Leos, and so I would say for this month, the reading is for month of December. The first card I can see, it's a time for spiritual growth for a lot of you. So you might get very close to your spiritual side. You might start understanding um, which aspect of life matters in your uh, current situations, and you might evolve into something and you might become something. This card actually beautifully depicts how the angel side of us comes out and how it lightens and brightens up everything around. So for all the Leos, I would say there is a time of self realizations where you will realize your true potential and you will try to surrender to God, and there would be embarkness of a new you, I would say, a new growth, a new angel inside you. Some of you must be feeling that you don't deserve love, but my child, you deserve love and you are very much lovable. You are lovable and there is love around you. You just need to be open towards love. Love comes in all shape and size. We just need to embrace the love which comes in our life. So that's all I would say. Embrace the love which is there rather than looking for it outside. And the third card is Teresa. So you might be feeling very tired with a lot of things happening in your life. And this is a card which says that you should stop worrying about others and you should start taking care of yourself. Your body needs you. The body is something which holds our mind, spirit, and soul. So our body needs nourishment. Our body needs treatment, which makes it feel good. And finally, the card represents the card strength. So you have all the ability, my friend, and you have all the courage to resolve the issues. You have all the inner strength to see through the hardest times of your life. And it also indicates that you have an ability to relate to others in a very open and friendly way and deal with the life in the best possible way. So trust your inner strength. Don't hold yourself back. That's what I'll say. You have the strength and courage to do it. If you hold yourself back, the life will always, push you back. We are supposed to move forward with the life. We are supposed to take the step which we have never taken it. And life is not about doing things which somebody has done, or doing the things how you're seeing things. Life is all about finding yourself, experiencing the journey, and it all start by taking that small little step. So take that step, be confident, be courageous, speak out your truth and be courageous. That's all I'll say. That's the thing which is coming in my mind. So be courageous and you have the strength. So I love you, my Leos, and stay blessed. If you had liked the reading, please click on the hit button. I'm sorry, please hit on the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel for the next month reading, and you can also share it with your friends and families if you feel like it can benefit them. Lot of blessings and lot of love. Let the next year start with a lot of abundance in our life. Love you guys. Bye.